Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make creamy, delicious vegan queso. Begin by preparing your main ingredients, which include 1 1/2 cups of peeled and diced Yukon Gold potatoes and 1/2 cup of peeled and diced carrots. You will also need 1/2 cup of nutritional yeast, 1/2 cup of unsweetened plant milk, and 1/4 cup of refined coconut oil. For a kick, gather 1/4 cup of diced jalapeno, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and a blend of spices like smoked paprika, garlic powder, and cayenne pepper. Having everything measured out will make the process smooth. Once your vegetables are prepped, it is time to cook them until they are incredibly soft. Place the 1 1/2 cups of diced potatoes and 1/2 cup of diced carrots into a small pot. Pour in enough water to completely cover the vegetables by about 1 inch. Bring the water to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Continue cooking for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, or until the vegetables are easily pierced with a fork, ensuring a smooth, creamy queso base. After your potatoes and carrots are perfectly tender, carefully drain all the water from the pot. Transfer these soft vegetables directly into a high-speed blender. Now, add the 1/2 cup of nutritional yeast, 1/2 cup of unsweetened plant milk, and 1/4 cup of refined coconut oil. Also, include the 1/4 cup of diced jalapeno, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and your prepared spices. Blend everything on high for about 1 to 2 minutes, until the mixture is incredibly smooth, resembling a rich, creamy sauce. Once blended, pour your smooth vegan queso into a small saucepan. Heat it gently over medium-low heat, stirring constantly to prevent it from sticking. This step allows the flavors to meld beautifully and brings the queso to the perfect serving temperature. Now is the time to taste your creation. Add more salt if necessary, or increase the kick with an extra pinch of cayenne pepper if you love spice. Keep stirring until it is warm and bubbly, ready for dipping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.